Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazzy Styles. As you see down below the title, today we're going to be doing another entrepreneur video. We're going to be making some lotion, and lotion for the summertime instead of shea butter because that's more on the thicker side. We're going to be making lotion, and hope you enjoy this video. If you want to see how I come up with this recipe, then please keep on watching.
More than meets the eye or meets imagination, yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just...
Okay y'all, we all ready. I have on my cap or plastic cap to cover up my hair. Have my gloves on. So let's get right into it. Okay, here are the things you're going to need here. I have it measured out already. So cetyl alcohol, you're going to need 6 grams. Emulsifying wax, you're going to need 12 grams. Shea butter, 12 grams. Xanthan gum, 1 gram. Fractionated coconut oil, 18 grams. Aloe Vera Juice, 60 grams. Distilled water, 182 grams, and glycerin, vegetable glycerin, 6 grams. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna have our water phase, the aloe vera juice and distilled water. Distilled water, the oil phase, cetyl alcohol, emulsifying wax, coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, shea butter. And the glycerin and the xanthan gum. Mix those two together, and then we're going to pour that into the water. Glycerin, xanthan gum. Okay, now that it has cooled down, it's time to add in the vitamin E oil, your essential oil, and the preservative. All right, you all. So at this point here, the lotion is finished. I am just transferring it into one of my glass bottles. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys how it actually looks once you rub it onto the skin. It rubs on the skin so it feels so soft, smooth. It's like just melts into the skin. If you guys try out this recipe, please go ahead and tag me in it on my Instagram at jazzy_jo1 or jazzystyles_cosmetics. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, please go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you won't miss when I do another upload. Peace.